I see what life has dealt to me. With every sadness I deny, I feel a chance inside me that give me a taste of something new, to touch, to hold, to pull me through. Send me a guiding light that shines across this darkened life of mine. Some soul in me, your gift of love to me, life to live for me, breathe to make me free. For every man who built me home, a paper promise for his own, he fights against an open flow of lies and failures. We all know, to those who have and who have not, how can you live with what you got? Give me a touch of something sure, I could be happy evermore. Some soul in me, your gift of love to me, life to live for me, to see, to make me free. Your honesty, your innocence to me, your word and set me free. Breathe to make me free. This life prepares the strangest things, the dreams we dream of. What life brings, the highest highs can turn around to sow love's seeds on stone.